Hello core users, we're going to talk about how to register for our upcoming events. You are going to make sure you log in to marian.1220.com using your Marian email address and your Marian password, whatever that is at the time. You'll see over here these are modules, and if you scroll down for the modules, we're going to go on events. So we're going to click on events. We're going to be able to see all of the events that we can register for and upcoming events that are happening on campus. We can see that we've got some office hours. Those are specifically if you have questions other than a resume and or a mock interview, which we do one-on-one appointments for. Everything else we have walk-in hours. You can sign up for those walk-in hours to let us know you're planning on coming and we can prepare for you. You can also sign up for some career events or internship fairs. There's also a dining etiquette session happening later on in the semester, so you'll see all of those events happening here. I am going to click on Wednesday walk-in hours because I have some questions. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to look at, here's some of the things that maybe we can help you with. If there's anything else, we're also happy to help you with that too. You're going to register, and it's going to ask you, are you sure you want to register for this event? I do, so I'm going to click register. And then I have registered, so I'm going to go back to the event page. I can go back to events, and if I go to my events, it will show what I'm registered for. It will also show on my calendar over here in modules. If I were to click on my calendar, it will show on my calendar as well. I'm also going to go ahead and register for the career and internship fair. It'll tell me the days, where it's at, what time it will be, the employers that are coming, so I can see who is coming and I can do some of that research ahead of time. If I go back to the event details, it'll tell me even more about it. And I'm going to register. And again, am I sure? Yes. So now I am registered for that as well. So I'm going to go to my calendar. And you can see what I'm scheduled for. I have some one-on-one appointments and then my events here. I am going to come into the exchange on Tuesday and Wednesday because I love them so much. And then once it gets closer to the date of the career fair, that will show on my calendar in here as well. And that is how you sign up for events.